Okay guys, got my Century Arms CA-3 rifle in here. Been doing some work on it today. See, I've got the original CETME forend on it, and I've got the original CETME pistol grip on it. I've still got the original Century olive green stock on there, so it's kind of a Frankenstein rifle in the works. But one thing I noticed was, if you'll hand me that bayonet, Jesse. I had gotten a bayonet, a G3 CETME bayonet, and pretty quickly discovered that on the stock Century rifles here, there is no bayonet lug. On the end of the charging handle tube, we have just this blank flat adapter here. So if you want to put a bayonet on your CA-3 Century rifle, then the first thing you're going to need to do is to remove this piece of junk, get it out of there. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get a CETME parts kit. And what that'll come with, hopefully, if you have the barrel assembly and everything with your parts kit, is you'll have this bayonet lug that goes on the end of the charging handle tube, and it'll also have this little cleaning kit on the back. Next thing you do is you want to go ahead and remove the spring and the plungers so that you can take this bayonet lug off of the cleaning kit tube. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and insert your bayonet lug right here, like so, with your machined side of the lug with that strip in there facing the right side of the rifle, just like that. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to Harbor Freight and get you a real cheap tap and die kit, and you need to get a 10-32 tap. And the reason you need a 10-32 thread tap is because that is the exact size that fits your grip screw on your parts kit. And this grip screw works perfectly for this application. So with the bayonet lug in the end of the tube here, you're going to thread both simultaneously and make sure it's centered up in there. And after you do that, you will find that your screw for your grip fits perfectly in here. Put your lock washer on there so everything stays nice and tight, and it fits real good. You can fit it in just hand tight like that. And then what you have is a screwable threaded bayonet lug for your rifle. Now you'll notice that on your Century rifle that this charging handle tube is neck down right here. Compared to the original CETME, it is not neck down. So on the original CETME, that's why the cleaning kit will fit. But on the Century rifle, your cleaning kit will not fit. There's nothing you can do about it. You can see mine's even got a dent in it right here. But from here to here, it's neck down. So unfortunately, there's no way to ever fit the stock cleaning kit in there unless you custom machine one yourself down to the proper dimensions. But Jesse, if you'll go ahead and hand me the bayonet. Go ahead and pull her out of there for me. Now what we have is a functional bayonet mount for your Century CA-3 rifle. And this is the easiest way I've found to do it. I've about driven myself crazy trying to figure out how to do it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully it helps some of you out.